Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 5, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. So let's get started. So we can uninstall applications in two ways. The first way is to do it through the app menu. So if you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the app menu. You can scroll through this menu, look for the icon of the application you want to uninstall, then press and hold on it. Come on. Okay, the watch will enter the editing mode, and on the icons that are removable, basically on the icon apps that you can uninstall, you will see this minus button, and you can tap on that icon, tap on uninstall, and the app will be removed. You can also uninstall applications through the Play Store. So if you open the Google Play Store on your watch, you can then scroll through the main page, this one, scroll to the bottom, tap on Manage Apps, and here you have the list of applications installed on your watch. And to uninstall the app, you need to find it, tap on it, then tap on Uninstall, like this. And once it's done, it will change to the install button, and that means that the application was uninstalled from your watch. And that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.